of, you know, follow, 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 follow. What the heck am I doing with this follow? I just follow everyone, dude. It's all about crowdsourcing. They're going to notice that I'm following them. And actually, I've gotten so many emails. This is the gayest thing. It's like, I'm going to just click follow all my fucking life on this until I can't follow. You know, so, you know, and I can put an update and everything else. Here's my little, your feeds, my public feeds, yeah. You know what's going on. So this is actually probably some of the stuff that, you know, we could have as a page attached to the inner page, right? So like feed, if I wanted to see my feeds, maybe it opens up another if I want to see what's going on and have a communication thing. But this is kind of dumb. It shows, you know, people who is, you know, there's Dave McClure. I wrote this. Dave, there's Dave, ugly Dave. I'd love to fucking meet Dave, dude. So, anyway, I hope that's helpful. I'll take care.